Meaning of in extremis.
In extremis.
In extremis.
In extremis.
In extremis. The term in extremis is derived from Latin and is used to refer to a situation where someone is in extreme circumstances, often nearing death or a critical point. It can also refer to a decision or action taken at the very last moment. In medical contexts, it may describe a patient who is close to death or undergoing a life-saving procedure. Politically, it may be used to describe a country or government that is on the brink of collapse. Overall, the term connotes urgency, crisis, and the need for immediate action.